Hello, and welcome back to the Ultimate Piano Course by Joseph N. In this video, we're going to discuss Rhythm Practice Drill number 6. So let's hop right into it. Once again, we're going to take a look at our exercise, and we're going to set our metronome to quarter note equals 80. And we'll go from the beginning. So let's talk about rhythm exercise 6 now. The main thing to watch out for is the various eighth notes and eighth rests spread throughout every measure. In some measures, like for example measure 2 and measure 4, you have an eighth note followed by an eighth rest. Because of that, each of those combined forms one beat, so you'll be playing on only the beats, 1, 2, 3, and 4. However, in measure 5 and measure 7, the eighth rest comes first and the eighth note will be next. Again, that forms an entire beat, so you'll be playing the eighth note on all of the ands between the beats. So you'll hear the metronome, and then you'll play in between metronome ticks. If we jump to the second to last line, we'll see this is where the rhythm got the most complex, as we combine quarter notes, eighth notes, and eighth rests. So it's always imperative that you're counting just like in measure 1, 1 and, 2 and, 3 and, 4 and fitting in all of your notes and rests exactly on each of those beats and each of those off beats whenever you can. Make sure to give this one a lot of repetition, especially on that second to last line or on the very last line itself, as it's also quite difficult. And we'll see you in the next exercise.